Alright, I'm going to be unboxing what will likely be my nicest watch for a very long time, or maybe ever, who knows. Just came in today. It's supposed to be here by the 1st, but USPS is USPS, so came the 4th. Could be worse, I suppose. It could be gone forever. Ball official RR standard since 1891. Accuracy under adverse conditions. Alright, very well packaged. When I shook the box, I could not feel anything moving around. Not that I shook it very vigorously, but I did give it a little shake. And there it is. Got some spare links. Not entirely certain how to release the clasp. Oh, just like that, just a little pull. For both sides? Yep. Ball Watch Company, Swiss made, NM2098C, MB Microtech, H3 illumination. This is got T25 tritium tubes in it. And what are the odds it fits me right out of the box? Let's get rid of this G-Shock here. I'd say not great odds, but possibly. No, I'm gonna have to add another link to that. Alright, got one link added. Let's see if she fits. I'm gonna have to go for one more. I just love this dial on this thing. All right. Box was like felt lined. Just fell out of here. Stamped in there with Malaysia, so I assume maybe the first place this watch was sold was in Malaysia. I don't know that. Plenty of desiccant in here, which is good with me. Anti-mold sticker, okay. Hang tag. Got a little cool little plastic bead on the hang tag there. Pretty sweet. Well, thank you to Steve, who I bought this from. I like the offset date there, between 3 and 4, or 4 and 5 rather. Let me get this set and see how it sits on the time grapher. About 3 seconds a day with no beat error. About 6 seconds a day added, or fast rather, with 0.2 milliseconds of beat error. And about 1 second a day with no beat error, as it would be hanging on my wrist while I walk around. That's pretty sweet to me.